Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable full screen mode over on TikTok. So TikTok just came out with this new full screen mode option, and here's how you can enable it because it's actually quite cool. So first of all, you need to go and find a video that is horizontally filmed. So we all know those movie clips and movie trailers and all those movie videos you will see over on your TikTok view page, just like the one like this. Then if you have found a video like this, then literally all you need to do in order to enable full screen is just click on that full screen button just under that clip, just like this. And we're literally right now in full screen mode, as you guys can see. It's basically just like YouTube. It's extremely cool, and that's literally how you can go. And that's literally how you can go into full screen mode over on TikTok. So yeah, this only works for videos or longer videos like movie clips that are posted horizontally and not vertical, but it's actually really cool. So that's how you can enable full screen mode on TikTok. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.